Check out our new affiliate update. Now you can add PayPal accounts for payouts. This feature allows businesses to seamlessly add and manage PayPal payout methods for affiliates, enhancing affiliate program management and efficiency. Let's talk about those benefits. This is a simplified payout setup. Now your business can easily add PayPal payment methods for your affiliates. It's also going to create an enhanced affiliate experience. Affiliates can conveniently add their own PayPal accounts through the affiliate portal. This is going to help you create secure transactions. Now your business can trust in secure payment transactions to your affiliates. Let's talk about that practical use. This is a very simple, easy update, but it really affects your business when it comes to automated payouts. Now your small business can utilize PayPal payment integration to effortlessly manage affiliate commissions. Affiliates can also conveniently link their PayPal accounts through the affiliate portal, ensuring timely and accurate commission payments. This feature is going to save you time if you need to pay out affiliate payments, and I think you're going to love it. First, you need to select the affiliate. Go into marketing, then go into the affiliate manager and choose an affiliate. This is how you are going to personally add that payout method. You're going to go into the payout methods and you're going to click Add Payout Method. Go ahead and enter the PayPal ID and click Done. Now you can view the added account very easily. Now, as far as your affiliates go, they can do this themselves. They can log in using the magic link and they can go into their account. Once they log into the client portal, they are going to be able to easily add their PayPal information. This is what it looks like when they're going to add their payment method. They want to be under commissions and add payout method. They'll go ahead and update it in a pop-up that looks just like this. They're going to go ahead and click Done, and that's as simple as it is. With this new feature, the CRM is going to empower your business to efficiently manage affiliate payouts, offering seamless integration and enhanced convenience for both your business administrators as well as for your affiliates. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.